Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we will discuss how to perform matrix operations, addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, multiplication, transpose, determinant, and inverse in Casio FX 991 ES Plus. Okay, what we have to do, first we have to give input of two matrices to this calci. We will see how to give it. Press on mode button. Okay, here we see the matrix option 6. So press 6, then matrix A, select any one of these. So I will select mat A. What is the order of matrix? 3 into 3. So we will select option 1. We have to give the inputs 2. After 2, press equal to and give 0, again equal to 1. Now second, minus 1 3 4. Okay, minus 1 3 4. Okay, now third row, 5 2 0. Okay, 5 2 0. Okay, we have given the first matrix input all values of first matrix to the calci. Now we have to give the second matrix values to the calci. What we have to do, same process, press mode button, select matrix option. This time you have already given matrix A values. Now we have to give matrix B values. So press 2. What is the order of second matrix? 3 into 3. So again press 1. Now again give the input values of matrix B to the calculator. 1 2 minus 1. Okay, 1 2 minus 1 0 3 2. Okay, 0 3 2. Next, 4 minus 1 5. 4 minus 1 5. Okay, now we have given the two matrix inputs to the calculator. Now we will see how to perform these operations. First we will see how to perform addition operation. So press shift, and again here we see the matrix option at 4. So press 4, shift plus 4. We have these 8 options. So we have to select mat A because we are doing addition of two matrices, matrix A plus matrix B. So first select mat A, third option, plus, now again shift plus 4, select mat B. Okay, press equal to. So this will give the addition of two matrix, which is equal to 3 2 0 minus 1 6 6 9 1 5. Okay, now we will perform subtraction. Same process, shift 4, mat A, select 3, minus, instead of plus we have to take minus. Okay, again same, shift 4, we have to select mat B. Okay, subtraction of two matrices is, okay, this is the subtraction of B minus A, sorry, A minus B, 1 minus 2 2 minus 1 0 2 1 3 minus 5. Okay, now we will perform multiplication operation. Shift 4, select mat A, into, and again shift 4, select mat B. Okay, this is the multiplication of A and B. 6 3 3 15 3 27 5 16 minus 1. Okay, three operations is finished. Third one is transpose of A. Transpose means interchanging of rows and columns. We will perform transpose of matrix A. Now what we have to do, again press shift 4. Here we see TRN, which is nothing but transpose. Okay, so press 8. For which matrix we have to transpose matrix A, again shift 4, select mat A. Okay, now we will get transpose of matrix C 2 0 1. Here it is like that, and here we will come vertically, here horizontal 2 0 1, here vertical 2 0 1. Okay, same, minus 1 3 4 minus 1 3 4 5 2 0 5 2 0. Okay, now we will perform determinant operation. Okay, determinant of B. So again press shift 4. Here we have see det. Okay, press 7. For which matrix we have to find determinant? First for matrix B. Okay, select mat B. For that press again shift plus 4, 4 for matrix B. Okay, you will get the determinant 45. Okay, now we will find the inverse of the matrix A. Okay, what we have to do, press again shift plus 4. What, select mat A, because we are performing the inverse of matrix A. Select mat A, and we will see here, you are seeing the inverse button here, press that. Okay, mat A inverse, this will give the inverse of the matrix. So this is the inverse of matrix. Okay, to find the eigenvalues of the given matrix, so after solving the characteristic equation, we will get the equation like this. We will solve this equation to get the eigenvalues of the matrix. So first click on mode option. So click equation. The equation is quadratic, so if it is cubic select 4, but it is a quadratic equation, so we'll select the 3 option. We'll give the coefficients of lambda square, lambda, and the constant. Lambda square coefficient is 1, so give 1, and lambda coefficient is -7, give -7, and the constant is 10. After click equal, we will get the eigenvalues. First value is 5, second value is 2, therefore eigenvalues are 5, 2. Equations. Next we will solve the cubic equations, and then we will solve the linear equations in 2 variables, and then we will solve the linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, so first we will solve the quadratic equation and find the roots of the equation. So first one is x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, first we have to press mode button and we have to select the equation option 5. So first one is quadratic, so we have to select third option. Okay, which has degree 2. So we have to give the values of the quadratic equation, which is coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of x 2. Okay, constant value 1, 1 2 1. Okay, 1 equal to 2 equal to 1. Okay, then press equal to. Okay, so one is -1 and second one is also -1. Okay, therefore roots are -1 1. So next one is, so again press equation. So quadratic equation, coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is 0, not there, so we have to take 0, and constant value is -4, so we have to take 1 0 -4 as coefficients. Okay, 1 0 -4. So therefore roots are, first one is -2, sorry 2, second one is -2, therefore here roots are 2 comma -2. So in this way we will solve the quadratic equation. Same process for all equations. Let us solve one by one. Next one is cubic. So select 4 for cubic equation. So what are the coefficients? Here first we will solve the second one. We will understand coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x square -1, coefficient of x -4, constant value is 4. So we have to give these values as inputs. Okay, 1 plus equal to -1 -4, d value is 4. So we will get one root is -2. So second one is 2, third root is 1. So these are the 3 roots for the cubic equation. Now we will solve x cube plus 1. Okay, so again mode equation 4. So we'll do here, what are the coefficients? X cube coefficient is 1, x square is not there, so 0, x is also not there, so 0, coefficient is 1. So we have to give these 4 inputs. Okay, 1 0 0 1. So roots are -1. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I, and 1 minus, sorry 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I. Okay, these are 3 roots for the cubic equation. Okay, now we will solve the linear equations in 2 variables. So for that press mode button again, equation, select the 2 variables. So we have to take first one. So we have to give these inputs. Here what are the inputs? 1 3 5. In second equation 2 5 8. So we have to give these inputs. So first one is 1 3 5, 1 3 5. Second one is 2 5 8, 2 5 8. Okay, all inputs are given. So now press equal to, we will get x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2. In this way we will solve the linear equations in 2 variables. Now we will see linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, same press mode button 5 for equation. So linear equations in 3 variables, so option 2. Now we have to give values of, sorry, coefficients of x y z and constant. So here is 1 1 1 6, here 1 2 3 14, 1 -1 1 2. Okay, so we'll give the equations 1 1 1 1 6. Okay, So 1 press equal to 1 press equal to 1 and again 6. So second one is 1 2 3 14. Okay, 1 2 3 14. Okay, now third one 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 1. So 1, next one is 2. After entering all values, press equal to, we will get, so x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is 3. So friends, in this way we will solve the equations, all number system conversions in scientific calculator. So we will perform this operation so that you will get clarity on how to do number system operations in the calculator. So first we will convert decimal to other number systems, binary, octal and hexadecimal. So press mode button and select the base n option, option 4. Okay, first we will convert 25, the decimal number, into binary. So 25 press equal to, so it is stored in the decimal value. So now click on here binary. Okay, binary. Okay, you will get the binary number of 25. Okay, 11001. Okay, next one is 79. We will convert this 79 to the octal number. So again press by decimal, change here number 79. Okay, 79 is stored in the decimal value. So now click on which number we want, octal number. So where is octal? Here. So plus this. So this is the 117. 117 is the required octal number for 79. Okay, now we will convert 256 to hexadecimal. So again press decimal, enter 256, press equal to store, and now hexadecimal number we want. So hex here. So 100 is the required hexadecimal number for 256 decimal number. Okay, in this way we converted decimal numbers to binary, octal and hexadecimal. The same way now we will convert binary numbers to other number systems. Okay, first we will see how to convert to decimal number. So binary, where is option? Okay, enter this number 10101, 10101, press equal to store it in the here. So it is stored. Now what we have to do, convert to decimal. So just press on the decimal button. Okay, this is 21. 21 is the required decimal number for this binary number. Okay, now we will convert this number to octal number. Okay, binary, what's the number? 110 110. Okay, number is stored. Which number system we want? Octal. So press ln, which is nothing but octal. So okay, 66 is the required octal number for this binary. Now again we will convert this to hexadecimal. So binary, what's the number? 4 ones, 1 4 zeros. So press equal to store. Okay, number is stored here. Which number system we want? Hexadecimal. So just simply press on this hex. So answer is F0. Okay, we'll see. Now we will see how to convert octal number system to other numbers. Okay, so what is the number? So go to octal, this, and what the first number? 45. So 45, store it here, press equal to for that. Okay, which number system we want? Decimal. So simply press, where is decimal? Okay, x square above. Simply press this number. Okay, 37 is the binary number, sorry, decimal number for 45. Now we will convert 72 octal number to binary number. So go to octal, store 72, further 72 and press equal to. Okay, number came here. So now what we have to do, simply press on binary. So 111010. Okay, 111010. This is the required binary number, friends. So next one is 157. Go to octal, store 157, 157. Okay, number is, which number system we want now? 16 means hexadecimal. Press on this. So 6f is the answer. Okay, now we will convert hexadecimal number system to others. Okay, so what's the first one? A5. A5, we have to convert this number to decimal number. So a, where is a? Okay, here you see, once again. Okay, this is a. So press this, convert 5. store it here. So press equal to, okay, which number system we want? Decimal. So press x square. So 165 is the required decimal number for this hexadecimal number. So second question is 3f. So clear everything. Hex mode 3f. So we have to convert. So first of all, store this. Okay, stored. Which number system we want? Binary. So press on binary. So answer is triple one, triple one, triple one, triple one. This is the required binary number for this hexadecimal number. So next one is b7 on. So hex b7. Where is b? So this is b7. Store it here. b7. Which number system we want to convert? Octal. So press this. Okay, 267 is the required octal number for this respective hexadecimal number. Video will perform all complex number related operations in scientific calculator FX991 ES plus. So we are given two complex numbers. With using these two complex numbers, we will perform all of these operations one by one. So okay, before doing these operations, shift the Calci mode to complex. For that, click mode button, select complex option 2. Okay, now we will do addition of a and b first. So what is a? 3 plus 4i plus 5 minus 2i. 5 minus 2i. So what is the answer? 8 plus 2i. Okay, now subtraction. Replace this symbol with plus symbol with minus. Subtraction of those two is minus 2 plus 6i. And the multiplication, replace minus with into. We will get 23 plus 4i. 23 plus 14i, sorry. Now division. Replace multiplication symbol with division. What is the answer? 7 plus 26i divided by 9. You can write like this also. 29. Okay, now we will find the conjugate of a. So for that, press shift plus areas complex option 2. So what is conjugate? Option 2 again. For which one? A. What is a? 3 plus 4i plus 3 plus I is equal to 3 minus 4i. Now argument of complex. So we will find for a, shift plus 2. Here we see the option ARG. So for press 1, what is a? 3 plus 4i. So argument means angle of complex number 53.13 degrees. Now we will find the modulus. Modulus of a means, for that press shift plus ABS. Here we see hype option, hypotenuse. So what is the a? 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i equal to 5. Okay, 3 plus 4i modulus is 5. We can also calculate like 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to root 25, which is nothing but 5. Okay, now we'll see how to convert polar to rectangular form and rectangular to polar form. Okay, first we will convert this rectangular form to polar form. For that, press, what is that? 3 plus 4i, again shift plus 2. So for which form we have to convert? Polar form. So this is the polar notation. So press 3 and press equal to, we will get 5 degrees 53.13. Now we will convert, if you convert this again to rectangular form, what we will get means, so shift plus 2 polar, we will get the same 3 plus 4i. In this way we will convert rectangular to polar form. Now we will convert second example to rectangular form. What is that? 54.63, 54.63 angle. For that, okay, shift plus this symbol, shift this symbol, we will get angle. What is inside that? 66 plus 25. And again shift plus 2, select fourth option for rectangular form. So the answer is 22 plus approx I was taking, approximate value I am taking 50i. So in this way, these are the operations we can perform using Calci, friends. We will perform vector operations in scientific calculator. Okay, So we will perform all these operations: dot product, cross product, magnitude of a vector, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, angle between two vectors. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to first give these two vectors as inputs to this calculator. Okay, on the calculator. Now for giving vectors, these two vectors to the calculator, so press on mode button, select vector option. We will store the vector a in vector a. Okay, here we have three variables I, j, k. So we will select first option. We will give the inputs of the matrix, sorry, we will give the inputs of the vectors here: 2 3 minus 4, 2 3 minus 4. Okay, mat vector a is stored. Now we will store vector b. Again same process, press mode button, 8 for vector, select vector b, second option. Okay, again three variables here also. Give the inputs. What are the inputs? -1, 5, 6. Okay, -1, 5, 6. So two vectors a and b are stored in the calculator. Now we will perform these operations. First, what we perform? First we will perform dot product of two vectors. Okay, press shift plus 5. Here we will see the vector option on number 5. So press shift plus 5. We will get these operations. So first select vector a, third. Now again shift plus 5, dot. Here we see the dot option. So press 7. Now second one is b. Press again shift plus 5, select 4 for vector b. So we will get the expression vector a dot vector b. We will get -11. So what is dot product of these two vectors? -11. Now we will see the cross product. Simply replace this dot with multiplication symbol. Delete, replace with multiplication. We will get 38 I cap, okay, -8 j cap plus 13 k cap. Okay friends, so dot product and cross product are finished. Now we will see magnitude of vector a. Okay, to perform magnitude, press shift plus, here we see the abs, absolute value. Okay, shift plus hypotenuse h5p. If you press this button, we will get abs. For which vector a, we have to find the magnitude. So again press shift plus 5 and select vector a. We will get the magnitude as 5.38. Okay, now we will see the addition of two vectors. Press shift plus 5, select vector a, plus shift 5 again, select vector b. We will get the addition of two vectors. What is nothing but I cap plus 8 j cap plus 2 k cap. A bar plus b bar. Now we will see subtraction. Again same process, shift 5, select vector a. Instead of plus we will select minus, shift 5, select vector b. Okay, which is nothing but 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 10 k cap. Okay, now we will see the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means multiplication of a vector by constant number. Suppose we will multiply the a by 5. When we multiply the vector a with 5, what we will get? 5 into this whole vector is multiplied by 5, which is nothing but 5 into 2, 10 I cap, 5 into 3, 15 j cap, minus 5 into 4, minus 20 k cap. Now we will perform this operation in the calc. So for that, for which number we are multiplying? For with 5. Okay, 5. Again press shift, into shift 5, select vector a. Okay, now same value, 10 I cap, 15 j cap, minus 20 k cap. Okay, now we will see how to find angle between two vectors. Okay, we know the formula for finding the angle between two vectors, which is nothing but cos theta is equal to a dot b by modulus of a into, magnitude of a into magnitude of b. When we bring this cos to the right side, we will get theta is equal to cos inverse a dot b divided by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Okay, now we have to calculate this value to get the angle between two vectors. So here we have only sine, cos, tan. We don't have inverse. So for that we will press shift and again cos inverse. You see here, no, cos inverse. What is the a dot b? We already calculated that. What is the value? Minus 11 divided by what is magnitude of a? 5.38 plus, sorry, into magnitude of b. We didn't calculate the magnitude of b, so we'll calculate now. So press shift plus hypotenuse. So vector b, okay, shift 5, select vector b. Now we will get the angle, which is nothing but 105 degrees. Okay, so these are the operations we can perform using the calci. We are going to find antilog of a number: integer number, fractional number, decimal number. Okay, for that, whatever the value is given, enter the value in 10 powers. Okay, I will show you example. Take 10, press this one, it will show like this. Enter the value here, 23. Therefore antilog of 23 is 10 power 1 into 10 power 23. Second value 1 by 3. Again press 10, power value, it is a fraction, so 1 divided by 3, 2.154. The third one is decimal value 0.25. Again 10 power 0.25. Answer is 1.778. Thank you. We will find how to find remainder of two numbers. Okay, so first question is 25 divided by 2. We have to find remainder. For that we have to follow these three steps. First, divide 25 with 2. 25 divided by 2, you will obtain one value. Subtract integer part from that. Integer part is 12, so minus 12, and again multiply the obtained one with b, means 2. Therefore remainder is 1. We'll solve the second question, 38 mod 13. First, divide 38 divided by 13. 38 divided by 13. Integer part is 2, so subtract 2 from this value. You will get 12 by 13 and multiply that with b, means 13. So remainder is 12. And third question is 18,234 divided by mod 121. For that 18,234 divided by 121. Integer part is 150, so subtract it. You will get this value and again multiply this with 121. So remainder is 84. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.